Hello, I'm Lee Brown and I'm going to show you how to make these triangular Japanese folded pieces. You will need these templates. You will need 2 2/3 and 1/3. These are all in my patterns already done for you, and a triangle and a pressing circle. And you get one look on the front and a different look on the back. And of course, if you do the cushions, they're totally reversible. So you get this design on one side, and on the back, let's take this cushion out, you get a different look. And then if you totally turn it inside out, you will get a totally different design on the back and also on the front.